personality and host, the charismatic Vishal Malhotra.
Come on stage with me. Come on, make your way to the stage. Come on the stage. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who do we get? We get him. We get him. Yeah, we get him. And we get you again. Why are you sitting down? I love your blue jacket. You gotta join me. Come on. Come on. Yep. Yep. No, you gotta come. Hey. Hey. Follow me. Follow me. Come on, this way. This way. This way. Let's go on stage. Why is someone leaving there? Come on! Come on! Yep! 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 On stage! On stage! On stage! Come on! Come on! Come on! Now! You have to... Put your hands up in the air! Put your hands up in the air! Louder! Okay, get up! Come on, get up! Get up! Just get up where you all are! Get up! Do that much! Yeah! Get up! Hands up! Hands up! Let's show them how this is done! Excellent! Give yourselves a big hand. That was amazing! Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Puneet Arya.
Puneet, you're a rock star, man. You really helped me out here. You know, I realized that you guys really run the world. Because there was Dhol happening, which is, would you all agree, the most infectious beat in the world? Yes? Yeah? All right. And yet, Sir hasn't shut his laptop yet. Can you please introduce me to this very, very hard-working man? Yes.
Yeah, sure. Would you like to come on stage?
That's good, Puneet. So by the way, Puneet has a new job. He just come to attend this lovely function. But he's so enthusiastic that with your permission and of course his, he's going to be the co-host with me for the rest of the evening. Is that all right? Up, up. But let's start off this evening because I'd like to know more about this lovely, hard-working gentleman. Because there was just you, sir, and I mean it very respectfully, and he's not even listening to me. He's still on his phone. Hi. Hello, sir. How are you? Any important message? Are you on social media by any chance, or are you working? All right, okay. But thank you, Puneet. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the show. Please have a seat. Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. I am so excited to be here because, very honestly, the last few weeks have been very tough with work. I've been going to all these very serious events, you know, a lot of strategy planning, a lot of award functions, which is very good, but after a while it gets very serious, and my name is Vishal, and Vishal wants to play. So I really, really appreciate the fact that you'll have invited me for this Dev Rave. It is a rave, isn't it? Why are you laughing? Okay, put your hands up in the air if you want a rave tonight! Yeah, they can be, yeah, that's good, yes. Hi, sir, just give me a second, please. One second. You want to, just, any ravers here? Vishal? Why am I not, hi, sir, hi. I'm Vishal.
It's not a rave. It's a serious business event.
Could you say that again, please?
It's a serious business event, Vishal.
But it says Dev Rave. The only thing is that I wanted to point out grammatically, you needed an S with an apostrophe, so it's Dev's Rave. Where's Dev? Is Dev in the house?
Vishal, it's Dev Rev. Dev Rev. Dev Rev.
Yeah, I know, I hear you,
Yes.
but it's not coming through. Because for me, I'm hearing Dev's Rave.
No, it's Dev Rev. It's not Dev Rev.
So what is Dev Rev?
Dev Rev is developer revenue. Serious stuff, Vishal. Serious stuff.
Oh my God. Not again. Where's my agent? You're fired.
Happens.
So you're Neeraj?
Yes, my name is Neeraj.
Can you please tell everybody and me, please, about you? Because I'm so sorry. I've come to this event absolutely unplanned. It wouldn't have been the Bhangra. Beautiful ladies here, ma'am. I'm sorry I pulled you on. I did not know this is Dev Rev.
Dev Rev.
Dev Rev. I still don't know what that means. But
Happens.
Would you like to tell us a little more about what's happening?
Have some water, Vishal. Have some water.
I will. Will you? I really do.
I'll take over.
Yeah, can you please?
Yes,
I need to go and, gather my mind.
Go to the spa.
I'll go to the spa. The spa is
Meditate.
just down the road. Okay. Just one, yeah.
Meditation.
Meditation?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you. I'm going to hand the floor over to this amazingly handsome gentleman who's come and corrected me in front of the whole world. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Neeraj, take it away, sir.